Hello guys! So, pupunta tayo ng Hard Rock at doon tayo kakain ng dinner. Kasama namin si Mary. So, maaga pa naman. It's 6 o'clock. Uy! 7 na?
Wala pa siguro si Francis.
7 na? 7 o'clock na pala, pero maliwanag pa. Diba? Ayan. So, bibisitahin natin yung dati kong boss. Siya kasi yung manager dito. He's not Filipino. He's Malaysian. Okay, we're here.
No ice cream, okay? Not yet, not yet.
Mama?
Yes.
And my ears hurt.
Your ear hurt?
Ouch. That's too loud.
Too loud for you?
Uwi ka na eh? Uwi ka na? Oh.
Hello, Tito Kim.
Hello. He's from.
Say.
Sayo ka nga.
Hindi kami
Sayo kayo.
Hindi
Sayo.
ko siya nakikita.
Mary, eat first. Eat first. Hot? Yeah, this is yours. So big. Look. So big. Excuse me. Wait. Kunin mo yung plate. Eat. Ito muna.
Do you need help? Do you need help?
Eat. Thank you po sa 20% discount. Hello guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. And si Mary ay umiinom na kanyang vitamins.
Can I see that on the Papa's here? I will tell you. And
Yeah.
everything I hear. Jelly.
Yeah.
Now toys. And then the makeup. Got all my makeup. See? I have so many things to do. Coloring, books,
Hindi na yan.
and pencil and coloring. See? I have so
Alright,
many
did you
things.
have fun, Mary?
Huh?
What is the best part of your day today?
The one I'm playing the drum.
Playing the drums? The band, you mean? Watching the band? Wow, nanood si Mary ng band. So, nakatapos kami ng 3 kanta. Si Mary ayaw...
Kanda?
3 songs.
Ay!
Yeah, we watched 3 songs, right? We finished 3 songs.
No, I want
And then
toy
after that,
song.
And then after that, we went home na, no?
No, I want toy song.
Yeah, but it's time for us to go home because it's late already and you have to sleep na. Right?
Because Dr. Sunday say,
You have to sleep early so that you will gonna grow fast. Right? You remember that?
Papa,
Dr.
can
Sanya
you
lang told
stand
you
up?
that, right?
Can I see
Ayan,
how?
busog na busog.
Papa, can I see?
Sumakit yung
Can I
tiyan
see
niya.
your heart of Mama?
Ang kawalan, mama, saglit lang.
Can you?
Alright guys, so that's all for today and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Bye guys!